how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started with the 2 tips by which we can boost processor or CPU speed in our Windows. So for the first solution, type in Edit Power Plan and tap on it. This will open a new Windows. On this, you have to search or tap in Change Advanced Power Settings. From the Advanced Settings, you can choose this particular text box from which you have to choose High Processor. However, in some devices, you might find only the Balanced active. Now from the list of options, you have to tap on or open Processor Power Manager. This way, in the minimum processor state, you can give on battery 5% and plugged in 80%. Similarly, for maximum, you can set it to 100%. After that, you have to click on Apply and then on OK. Once this is done, the next tip would be to open your Task Manager. From the Task Manager, you can disable all those apps that you are not currently using. This will ultimately help to boost our CPU speed. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.